Hey guys, are you looking for an easy way to make your Instagram post more accessible? In this video, I'll show you how to exactly add alt text on Instagram. You'll learn the step-by-step process of adding alt text to images so everyone can understand your content. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, we will open our Instagram mobile application, and then for the purpose of this video, I'm simply going to create a post. For that, I'll tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. From here, you have to select any of the photo that you want. I am simply going to select this photo. Then you have to tap on the arrow 2 times at the top right corner of the screen. So now when you are on the screen, you can add caption to your post, add hashtags, tag people and other stuff which you want. If you want to add some alt text describing what exactly your photo is about, simply tap on where it says advanced settings at the bottom of the screen, and then you'll see an option called write alt text. Go ahead and tap on that. Alt text describe your photos for the people with visual implements. So now you have the ability to describe specifically what your photo is about. This is exactly how you can add alt text on Instagram. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.